How can I properly communicate with potential business partners? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new deal in HubSpot. Then we'll be interpreting the response using the AI wizard by Workload before finally sending an email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be HubSpot to wizard to Gmail. And we're going to click on our trigger box and select our triggering app, which is going to be in HubSpot. And the event is going to be a new deal. We're going to make sure we're connected to our HubSpot account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. We'll test the trigger, and we have a response. Now, if you notice, part of the response is this deal stage. And there are several different stages a deal can be in within HubSpot. And we want to be able to send a different email depending on that deal stage. So what we're going to do is use the AI wizard by Workload to interpret this deal stage and then compose an email. So we'll click continue. We're going to use our tools. This is going to be the AI wizard by Workload. We're going to prompt your data. For the input data, we want to include the deal name, the deal stage, the company name, the contact name, and that should be enough information to give the AI wizard in order to compose this email. And for the prompt, we'll say, compose an email to this contact about the deal stage. Whatever the deal stage is, make the email appropriately enthusiastic. If presentation scheduled, express enthusiasm about seeing the presentation. If appointment scheduled, say we are excited to meet the contact and further discuss the potential deal. If contract sent, say we have sent the contract and are awaiting their signing. If closed won, say we are excited to work together on the deal. If closed lost, express regret but hope that we can work together in the future. Regardless of the deal stage, be polite and professional. Always close emails like this. Sincerely, Elliot Workload, president of the company. So we'll click continue, and we'll test this action. We have a success. Dear Imogen Dumas, we are thrilled to inform you that your vision board consultation presentation is scheduled. We can't wait to see your presentation and learn more about how we can work together on this deal. Looking forward to a fruitful discussion. Sincerely, Elliot Workload, president of the company. So perfect. Simple little email referencing the stage of the deal and expressing enthusiasm. And the AI wizard will be able to write a new distinct email based on that prompt data. So it'll put in whoever your contact's name is. It'll reference the specific deal that we're talking about, in this instance, the vision board consultation. And then the email will be structured around whatever stage the deal is in. So we'll click continue. We're going to add a step. We're going to use Gmail. We're going to send email, but scroll down to the bottom and find the send email in Gmail there. Make sure we're connected to Google. 2 is going to come from that initial trigger. We're going to find the contact email. If you want to CC or BCC this email to someone else, you can add those emails in here. The subject is going to come from the AI wizard. Excited to see your presentation. And the body is also going to come from the AI wizard. And we can click continue, and we can test this action. And we have a success. That email was sent to our contact. So I can click continue here. I can check over in Gmail and look in my sent emails, and you can see that that email was just sent to our contact. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. We can go back to the workload editor. We can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of our nodes. And then we can activate our workflow. And now whenever there's a new deal in HubSpot, the AI wizard will interpret the details of that deal and then send an appropriate email in Gmail. That's how you can use the AI wizard by Workload to build a workflow that automatically interprets the status of a new deal and sends an appropriate email in response. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your workflows flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.